very good afternoon, dear students. Welcome to this world of chemistry. Today, in this chemistry live class, I'm going to tell you about the different methods of separation of mixture. As we have studied in last two videos, that the separation of mixture, we can separate the heterogeneous mixture with the different methods. So today, I'm going to tell you about those different methods. So let's start. Dear students, welcome to this practical of chemistry. Today, I'm going to tell you about the separation with the help of centrifugation. So what is centrifugation? This is the centrifugation machine, as you can see, and I'm going to tell you something about how to separate the solution with the help of this machine. Okay, so centrifugation is what? Let's understand first. Centrifugation is an improved method of sedimentation. In this method, the rate of sedimentation is increased by applying centrifugal force. So I think you have studied in physics centrifugal force. Centripetal force is what? It is the force that comes from center. If suppose you will tie a stone with a thread, and if you will revolve the thread around the head, so you can see that is what centripetal force. But centrifugal force is what? Which came from all around and going to be centralized in one point. That is called centrifugal force. The machine used to generate centrifugal force is called centrifuging machine. This is centrifuging machine, and the machine rotates with a very high speed so that the denser solid particle settle down faster, leaving behind the lighter particle. Okay, this is the basic principle. The machine rotates with a very high speed so that the denser solid particles settle down faster, leaving behind the lighter particle. So the application or use of this machine is in hospital. It is used in hospital to diagnose the laboratory test for blood and urine test. Okay, by this method, very fine solid particles suspended in a liquid and can be separated. This is clear from that practical that I'm going to do here. And basically centrifugation used to separate the butter from cream also. You have seen, I think, in Shri Krishna serial that Lord Shri Krishna was very fond of butter, and his mother Ma Yashoda, she was taking out that butter by one churning method. That is an old method. I can see in some of the old villages also this churning method was there. Churning thing was there, churning machine was there. So same purpose we are going to do here. So let's start without wasting any time. So first we will do the mixture that we are having. So we have two kind of mixture. One, I have made it curd, because from curd we need to make the cream. So I am putting this curd test tube in the centrifugation machine. And second, I have taken the red color with the some salt, mixture of salt, just to show the blood. So let's take it example of blood. So when we will fix these two test tube here, so when the machine will on, this is the switch of machine where 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, as per this your requirement you can increase the speed. So I'm going to start this machine. How centrifugation is occurring, that you can see here. So this is the centrifugation is going on. So you can see how speed the test tube is moving, and the solution which is inside the test tube, that is going to be sediment now. Okay, so we will just take 1 minute. So after 1 minute you can see, so now after 1 minute you can see that what is happening. So let me see. Okay, so first we will see the sample of salt, sample of blood. So you can see, dear students, in the bottom very finally you can see some black participant or some where it is a little bit salt is visible, and the clear crystal is clear solution is on the top. Okay, this is called the filtration of blood, mean filtration of different substance from the blood. You can see here also like little bit dark black color is showing, so it means that salt is separated. Whereas in case of this, you can see on the top it is white and in the bottom it is yellow. If you need to see it clearly, you can see it is white on the top, then it is yellow, and in the bottom again it is white. Okay, so it means that the cream will separate from the solution. So this is the process how we can separate the cream from solution. So this was centrifugation method. Thank you. Now stay tuned for next activity. Hello dear students, third practical of this separation method of separation we are doing, that is chromatography. Chromatography word is come from chrome. Chrome mean, it is the word come chrome which mean the color. So nowadays the technique of chromatography is used to separate the identified color substances, whether it is colored or colorless. Okay, so we are doing here to try to separate, we are going to try to separate the colored substance. So for that purpose we have two type of color, one is red and second is blue color. Okay, so we made a mixture of red and blue color in this test tube. So this is the red and blue color test tube. So what we will do now, we will take this substance which is the mixture of two color, we will take a little bit drop of that substance, we will take drop of this colored substance and just to check the chromatography different color in that solution, we will mark one small circle. See, I have drawn a small dot structure here so that I can explain that how the chromatography system is working. So for the chromatography, what we will do, we will take a small sample of that solution which is mixture of red and blue color. I am taking the small sample and I will put one drop on this dot. The moment I have, you can see it is very clearly shown. This was my dot, and after that this is the ring of blue color that is automatically appear on this blotting paper, I can say, or the chromatography paper. It shows that there is two color. So if you will keep it for little bit more long in the presence of air, then you will get two type of ring. One is, I will tell, blue color, and this is somewhere red color. So it shows that the solution which we made mixture is the mixture of red and blue color. Okay, so this is the small activity that shows that how chromatography is working. So just a little bit more close, you can see now red color is appearing slowly. Okay, so this is the blue color, presence of blue color, and this is the red color. So in this way we can separate, we can find out that mixture of color is made up of how many different color. So hope so you all enjoyed all these activities what I have performed today. So hope so you all will perform such kind of activity at home also, and you will send me. Okay, you can do separation of mud with water, you can do descentation, sedimentation, and filtration process at home. You can do that churning method at home with you. In your book there is given in the activity that the method how to separate these. Okay, so hope so you enjoyed this video. Thank you very much, and stay tuned to watch, to enjoy these kind of videos. Okay, thanks a lot. Please take care of yourself, take care of your family, stay home, stay safe, and don't be corona carrier, be corona warrior. So have a nice day. Thank you very much for watching this video. Thanks a lot.